Hey guys, welcome to Cryptalina channel, and today we continue to discuss what is happening on the price of the Bitcoin chart right now. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and my Telegram group. So let's get started. So today I will show you a lot of formations. This will also be a short review because nothing much has changed during the day, but I need to tell you about my plans, about where you can open long positions in the near future and what positions I'm in right now. So it will be very interesting. Be sure to watch this video till the end. The daily chart closes at $25,400, a very bullish close. Now we are waiting for the close of the weekly candlestick, the weekly chart, and this is also very important. I have already told you about our week strategy. Maybe I will make a separate video on my main channel on the week strategy. So in short, it works on the daily and weekly charts. On short charts this also works out, but not so often. According to the week strategy, if you see a candlestick and more than 60% of this candlestick is occupied by a wick, it doesn't matter if it's up or if it's down, if it's red or if it's green, but one way or another the price will come and close this week. In the future, completely candlestick. So now this is happening. We will most likely see $26,363, and this almost always works. Here, for example, the candlestick had 50% of the wick, but here it's also worked and we close it. There is a huge wick up here and 70-80% of it will happen soon. So friends, the nearest short-term target is $27,665. It also extends to a long-term loan in principle, and if there is a correction, then I will open a short-term loan from these values. If in the short term we don't immediately go to test $27,000-$30,000, then I will open a loan position from these values. Again, according to the Fibonacci strategy, nothing changed. We have momentum on this chart. It has not been corrected yet, and the momentum for this fall hasn't been corrected, but it will do so one way or another. Perhaps it will be corrected after reaching the goal. If this happens, then I will not open a long position. If we come to the values of $22,000 in the coming days without reaching the second target, without reaching $32,000, then I still plan to open a short-term loan position from here. So I don't add margin to my long-term loan, which is currently open on the BYBIT cryptocurrency exchange, as you remember. So let me open it. As you can see right now, it's in huge profit. This is a long-term loan that we entered with our Fibonacci strategy on longer time frames from $16,000. And this is a chart for a short-term loan, which we can open. And the average price, which is now $18,000, my loan, which I now have open, looks something like this. And now I am in profit about 41% from the entry point, not taking into account the leverage. So if you want to open the same trades as I did, you should definitely register on BYBIT using my link, which will be in the description or in the first pinned comment. I will remind you once again that right now you can claim up to 5,000 bonus on BYBIT. All you have to do is make a registration and make your first deposit. If BYBIT is not available in your country, then you have a good alternative. It's BitGet. It's available for all users, and right now there is a spin like a wheel. You can win Bitcoin, artificial intelligence tokens, and many other prizes. So follow the link in the description. So we're back to analytics. The daily chart looks exactly. I remind you that I open a long position if they give a correction with the same goals as I had. Stop loss is set at $21,000. Such a small trade. 8% potential loss and 40% profit that we can see. If we don't wait and close the trade here, then 21 profits with 10 leverage. The trade looks quite interesting, and risk reward ratio 2.46. Also, stop loss can be set even lower. You can set below $21,500, and here you can decide for yourself. I give you a potential setup that can be used to trade the situation within the week. Also on the weekly chart, from the positive, we have a breakout of the downtrend on RSI, and this test has already been confirmed at RSI. Something similar to a bull flag is formed, and it may also be an upward breakout, and perhaps this breakout has already been drawn. Then we can see RSI in the overbought zones around 84. And Bitcoin can grow even stronger towards these values to $40,000. Again, we'll be watching. So we also look at the weekly chart. It's more important than the daily chart. Again, according to the strategy of the weeks, a very unclear week that formed below, keep in mind that this week, like the gaps, is likely to close, and one way or another we will be back down. Keep this thought in mind. $19,500. I hope we will see this number. But first of all, if we close this week above $25,000 and consolidate higher, and that is, we have already made breakdowns of the highs, we see a growing formation, high, high, low, low, low. And if we close the week at these levels or higher, then we can see the next week positive, and it's quite possible that we will reach $40,000 and then we will make a correction. It was an example of possible development of events, or it will all happen much sooner. Either way, 27, 28, $30,000 is realistic for the near term, and we have already seen $26,300. There are certain facts that say that we will see these marks again, and the range from $27 to $30,000, maybe even up to $40,000, we will most likely test in the near future. So this was a brief overview. So far nothing has changed. I am in a long position. I also showed you a setup for a short-term long position. If you want to trade Bitcoin in the same way, then a great solution is to subscribe to my free Telegram group where updates come out much earlier. So what do you think about this? Write your opinion in the comments. I hope you like this video and my updates. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and my Telegram group, and also don't forget to put comments with your opinion. Thank you for watching. Bye.